Hey, fellow travelers. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's close to my heart and I bet yours too, eco-friendly travel. We all love the idea of leaving nothing but footprints and taking nothing but memories. But is eco-friendly travel really as green as it seems? Let's uncover the hidden truths together. First off, let's talk about those eco-lodges. They promise minimal impact on the environment, but did you know many of them are built in previously untouched areas? Yeah, that means cutting down trees and disturbing wildlife habitats. Not so green, right? And what about those reusable water bottles? They're great for reducing plastic waste, but manufacturing them still has a significant carbon footprint. Plus, flying them halfway around the world to your local store racks up even more carbon emissions. It's a tricky balance, isn't it? Next, let's tackle the idea of carbon offsets. It sounds like a dream. Pay a little extra and your flight becomes carbon neutral. But in reality, not all offset programs are created equal. Some projects are poorly managed and don't provide the promised environmental benefits. It's like putting a band-aid on a broken leg. Doesn't quite cut it. Then there's the issue of wildlife tourism. We've all seen those Instagram pics of people cuddling with exotic animals, but behind the scenes, many of these animals are kept in poor conditions and forced to interact with humans all day long. It's heartbreaking to think our quest for the perfect photo could be harming these beautiful creatures. And finally, let's discuss the local impact. Ecotourism can bring necessary income to remote communities, but it can also lead to cultural exploitation. Local traditions might get commercialized, losing their authenticity just to cater to tourists. That's not the kind of travel legacy we want to leave behind. So, what can we do? For starters, do your research. Look for genuinely sustainable options and ask tough questions. Support businesses that are transparent about their practices. And remember, sometimes the most eco-friendly choice is simply to stay closer to home. Traveling responsibly isn't always easy, but it's worth it because when we know better, we do better. Let's make sure our love for exploring this beautiful planet doesn't come at its expense. Happy travels and see you in the next adventure.